Welcome to my channel Paints. Today I'm gonna show you the process of drawing realistic painting with cheapest colors. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications first. Starting with the sketch, I'm drawing mother and child. I'm going to use oil pastel colors today. These colors are student grade oil pastel colors. Most of people think that only branded colors can make your drawing look realistic, but I don't think so. To prove my point, I took this challenge because I feel it's your ability how you utilize the materials to draw realistic paintings. I'm using my fingers to blend the colors. And using 10B pencil for details. I'm loving this challenge. I'm really enjoying. Drawing her hairs realistically. The love of mother is beyond this world. Warmth of her lap is all we need. They are real angels in our lives. Express your love towards your mother in comment section below. Let her know that you love her. It's really satisfying. I recommend you to try this too. It's almost complete. Hope you liked the video. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you soon with a new video.